5 Great Investment Ideas for February. Now is a great time to find good buying opportunities on Wall Street. 2024 started off with a bang. The S&P 500 index has already grown by 3.1, which suggests a continuation of the bull market since October 2022. Historically, these growth periods last several years, and it is expected that investors will still be able to profit before the next bear market. Motley Fool experts believe that shares of Tesla, Nextera Energy Partners, Shopify, Horton, as well as the new Bitcoin exchange-traded funds are the most attractive investments at the moment. Tesla. After a year of declining prices and margins, Tesla investors were hoping for an improvement in 2024, but the fourth quarter 2023 report showed weak results and an uncertain outlook for the year. Revenue growth was just 3% year-over-year, operating income fell to $2.1 billion, and operating margin fell to 8.2%. By comparison, Tesla's fourth quarter 2022 operating income was $3.9 billion, and its operating margin was 16%. However, Tesla is doing a good job of controlling costs. Vehicle costs fell in the fourth quarter, and Tesla is confident of further cost reductions in 2024. Elon Musk also sees Tesla not only as a car company, but also as a leader in the field of artificial intelligence and robotics. Overall, Tesla appears well invested in its short-term and long-term growth. The company is able to gain market share during a prolonged downturn. And if interest rates fall, this could lead to a noticeable increase in demand. The long-term investment strategy remains coherent, so Tesla looks like a good buy, especially if the market turns and there is a sharp sell-off in the company's shares. Bitcoin ETH. On January 11, a stock like Asset appeared on the market that has a direct connection to the price of Bitcoin with minimal commissions and wide availability on almost any exchange service. Each Bitcoin ETH offers its own unique benefits. ETHs from issuers and Fidelity stand out due to brand recognition and massive initial interest. The issuer's ETH has strong financial backing from industry giant BlackRock. Support from Fidelity may be less, but this private investment fund also operates its own price tracking index and provides all the processes for buying, selling, and storing Bitcoin tokens on its platform. All others depend on third-party services for these purposes. ARK 21 shares is run by investing genius Cathie Wood. This connection on its own is attractive enough to attract cryptocurrency-related business, and this fund also offers one of the lowest annual expiration fees of any promotional program. Bitwise ETH offers the lowest cost option. It also promises to share a portion of its governance profits with developers in the Bitcoin community. So if you are interested in creating a position in Bitcoin without having to deal with buying the cryptocurrency itself with all the complications and commissions, choose a Bitcoin ETH that suits your needs. Horton. Warren Buffett didn't make many stock purchases last year. However, in 2023, the legendary investor acquired shares of several construction companies. His largest position in this group was and remains Horton. Last year, Horton has completed 777 homes. After the stock soared more than 70 in 2023, its momentum is now fading. The company's shares fell after mixed results for its first fiscal quarter of 2024. This pullback represents an excellent buying opportunity for investors thinking long-term. Why? The housing shortage in the United States has not been resolved. Some experts estimate the country needs 4 million more new homes. With talk of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates later this year and the US economy showing strength, there is reason to believe that the short-term prospects for it. Horton look better than they might seem. And their long-term prospects remain as strong as ever. Shopify. Shopify meets most of the requirements that investors like to see in growing companies. Its platform currently processes about 10% of all e-commerce transactions in the US, and its growing merchant base will increase that number over time. The company has already given investors a lot to cheer about in its latest report. Sales volumes increased by 22%. Profits are growing much faster, and growing cash flow implies years of subsequent growth ahead as the services platform matures. Shopify will release its next quarterly report on February 13. Despite the fact that the company's shares look expensive based on the PE ratio 16, investors should think about purchasing them for the long term. However, this purchase should be considered by aggressive investors who are not afraid of volatility in the share price. Nextra Energy Partners. Nextra Energy Partners shares are down 57 in 2023. The company cut its target for annual dividend growth through 2026 from a forecast of 12.15 to just 5.8, with a target of 6. This was due to high interest rates, which made financing growth and debt repurchases a costly process. Nextra Energy Partners' dividend cut was not taken lightly by investors. However, it is worth making a note: the company has not cut its dividends. On the contrary, it will still increase them, albeit more slowly. The company recently sold off some of its natural gas assets as planned and is increasingly looking to upgrade its wind assets in a bid to improve profitability. Given these factors, Nextra Energy Partners stock represents a solid buy for long-term investors. These were those 5 ideal investments in February. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more educational content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you again. Happy investing. Thank you for watching.